Alright guys, so what we want to do is create the sheathing for our scale model shed floor, and we're going to start off by getting a ruler and measuring out 8 inches in one direction of your paper on both sides, and then connecting those lines so that you have a nice clean line to use your scissors to cut. Once you've cut the first 8 inches, you can go ahead and measure in the opposite direction for the next piece and measure 8 inches again so that you have a nice 8 by 8 square piece of paper that will fit nice and evenly on your scale model shed floor. Once you have your 8 by 8 sheet of paper cut out, you can then go ahead and draw a circle somewhere in the middle of it so that we can show the detail elements that are underneath the paper, to show the center nailer and then also to show some of the floor joist as well. This is just a detail element that shows off the work that you've done to put up to this point. Once your hole's cut out, you can go ahead and take your piece of paper and center it onto your floor, and then get your wood glue, and you're only going to need a small amount of wood glue to put on the outside pieces of your floor joists, and then just a thin coating on the other interior floor joists. The thinner layer of glue that you put on there is going to actually allow it to dry a little bit quicker and allow it to be tackier for the paper to adhere on so that it doesn't slide around all over the place. And I'm putting a thin layer of glue here, and I'm going to come back in and smooth it out with my finger and take the excess and put it on the interior floor joists. And once we're done with that, we can go ahead and put the floor back onto it, make sure that it's connected and adhered nicely, and then we are all done with this step. Remember, as always, if you have questions, please email me or ask me in class, and I will be happy to help you out.